Hi, this is video for project E1680 improving survey functionality. For this functionality, we have to log in as instructor, and I will start by creating a survey. In the previous implementation, they didn't have any validation for presence of the name field, so it was throwing unhandled exception. So we have added validation for this. So we can add question like this. And by saving survey questionnaire, the question this question will be added to this. The previous implementation already had functionality for importing questions and exporting questions to CSV, but the exporting questions to CSV was broken. After quite debugging, we figured out that the error was because of these nested if statements. So we have fixed it by placing this redirect at right place. Now we have created test assignment survey, and we have also added question 1 to this survey. Now we will assign this newly created survey to students.
So the newly created questionnaire is created successfully. It is shown here in this tab. It says test assignment survey. It was created at this moment. So now to assign this survey to particular assignment, we'll go to the assignments tab. Now to assign the given survey to all the students of the assignment, we'll go to the assignment and then select this. By clicking this button, we'll go to assign surveys page for this particular assignment. So this is the page which we have created. So now it says that you are attempting to override existing assignment survey. So this is because we have added a functionality that at a moment a particular assignment can have only one survey and one global survey. One survey that is from which we select, and then one global survey. So because this assignment already has one survey assigned to it, so it is showing this error that you are attempting to override the existing survey. So the previous implementation was not having the structure like this. So we have added the two drop down list which enables us to select from the various available surveys. So if we see the drop down list for my surveys, it will show the newly created survey right here. So we can select that survey, and the other global survey is optional. So the tab under my survey says the normal surveys, and the global surveys are surveys which are optional to be assigned. So we can either select, or we can just keep the option as select the global survey. So this is the page in which we have added the two drop down lists, that is which was my survey and a global survey. For this we are using the survey controller, where we are using the assign method, which gets called when this page is loaded, and then it loads all the available questionnaire which belong to the particular category, like survey questionnaire and global survey questionnaire, and it fills up the list for the drop down. So after clicking the submit button on selection of the drop down list, we call this method, that is assign survey method. So in this functionality, actually we have changed the database using migrations, and we have added two fields, that is survey ID and global survey ID, in the table of assignment. So what will happen when we assign a survey to assignment? The survey ID of the particular questionnaire or the survey, and the global survey ID of the global survey will get added or inserted in the assignment object itself, in assignment record itself. So as shown in this code, the survey ID is assigned, selected survey ID is assigned to the survey ID, and selected global survey ID is assigned to the global survey ID, and the record is updated. And after completion, we show a message that survey successfully assigned, and we redirect the page to the same page. So I will show you the submit functionality. So if I selected test assignment survey and I do submit, then you get a message that you have successfully assigned. So this screen shows that survey has successfully assigned, and this message that you are attempting to override existing survey is shown because we came to the same page, and if we change now, then we are going to again override the existing assignment. So that's why this message is shown. So this is the schema.rb file of the project, and it shows that in in the assignment model, we have added two more rows. In assignment model, we have added two more columns for survey ID and global survey ID. So this is what I referred before. Now we have logged in with a student who has that particular assignment. That is, the student is the participant of the assignment to which we assigned the survey. So on the home page of the students, after login, we can see that on the top we have course evaluation tab. If we click on the tab course evaluation, we will see all the surveys which are assigned to this particular participant. So now we can see the survey which we created, test assignment survey, is available here, and the student can click take survey to go to this survey and attempt it. So the code which generates the list of surveys which are displayed on that page, the list method in the course evaluation controller, and we are fetching the particular surveys which are assigned to the particular user, and depending upon whether he has attempted the survey or not, we are giving the option for him to take the survey or either view the survey. So this is the code in our controller which handles it. Thank you.